cut up your arms, cut up your legs, would you still love me anyway? If you're born and you're gone, made and displayed, would you still love me?
Band se zove The Fuk, sviramo ja i moj drug Daki. Band uglavnom postoji od uvek.
Would you love me anyway?
Trudimo se da sve pesme zvuče najoriginalnije. Band svira kompilacije Nirvane, Dubioze Sarsa. Biće nešto Led Zeppelina, neke malo energične muzike, nešto što sada ljudi slušaju. Očekujem vas u Apollo 21 čas petak. Vidimo se tamo, nadam se da provod.
Why don't you love me anyway? Why don't you love me anyway?